Hello to everyone, I am Federica from Gambino Winery and today we're going to talk about our D'Uva Nera 2017. Amazing year, very hot, long summer. This wine is a 100% Nero d'Avola, so the king of the Sicilian viticulture. It is very widely planted in the whole island, and ours is in Riesi, southwest of Sicily. D'Uva Nera show 14% of alcohol, and its aging was for 1 year in French oak barrique. We chose the little size of French oak barrels and never knew. We prefer the second and third passage barrique to respect and the balance between the oaky aromas and the fruity. On the nose it is very intense. We have especially black fruits, so it is a very deep sensation. Black cherries, black plums, black currant, just a tiny bit of black pepper and vanilla because of its aging. On the palate, it is a medium tannin wine, not a big astringence. In the mouth, very persistent taste, wrapping, very warm, and for sure one of the best wine that you can easily pair with most of the recipes. Cheers!